Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on push notifications on the Autodoc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should click on the last icon down below and tap on push notifications in the settings section, which is this second button in the right side of the screen. Click on allow to allow the application to have access to your notifications, so you are going to get reminders, and you can also subscribe to the newsletter by tapping on it. Then you should type in your email address and you will get email notifications about special promotions. So tap on this box and click on subscribe. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.